Your cashback isn't free at all. Your airport lounge access isn't free. That free flight from reward points? Yeah, somebody paid for that. And there's a decent chance it was people stuck paying 40% credit card interest. That's literally how the system works. Most people think credit cards are either evil or free money. They're honestly both. Because, yeah, the rewards are real. But the bank isn't giving you cash back because they like you. The real money comes from people who can't fully pay their bill. And the interest rates are insane, like 36 to 42%. That's not I'll pay later interest. That's why is my debt getting bigger every month interest. So banks figured out something genius. If enough people overspend and keep carrying debt, the bank can afford to give disciplined people cashback, points, lounge access, all that stuff, and still make huge profit. So there are basically two groups of people with credit cards. Group 1 pays the full bill every month, never pays interest, collects rewards. Group 2 pays minimum due, keeps rolling debt forward, pays insane interest, funds Group 1. And honestly, the scary part is how easy it is to become Group 2. Because after a while, the credit limit stops feeling like debt. It starts feeling like your money. And that is where they get you. But if you actually understand the game properly, credit cards can actually be useful. The trick is stupidly simple. Don't spend money you don't already have. Use the card for normal spending, food delivery, Uber, groceries, subscriptions, whatever. Then pay the full bill before the due date, every month, no exceptions. If you do that, you stay in Group 1. You basically get rewarded for spending money you were already going to spend anyway. Usually that's around 1 to 5% back, depending on the card. Not life-changing money, but still objectively better than getting nothing. And there's another thing most people our age ignore: your credit score. Every on-time payment quietly builds your financial reputation in the background. So later, when you need an education loan, car loan, apartment, whatever, banks already trust you more. Starting that process at 20 instead of 26 genuinely matters. Reward points exist because banks know most people won't use credit cards responsibly. That's the whole business model. So the goal is simple: use the system without becoming the product. Pay in full every month. That's literally the trick.